Days later, detectives lift a fingerprint from a beer bottle at the lodge bar, and it matches Bruce Edward Beauchamp, 31, a construction worker from Fontana, California. Then, more. Investigators say a boot print at the scene was consistent with his footwear, and a receipt suggested he owned boots with soles similar to the tracks outside Bonnie's cabin. Beauchamp admits he was in the area that weekend, but denies ever seeing Bonnie and says he was already driving back to Fontana when the shooting occurred. Still, prosecutors charge him with murder and attempted murder, along with burglary and attempted robbery, pushing a robbery gone wrong theory. Comment Hood below and I'll hit you with the next part, because the trial turns on one witness, and that witness has a serious credibility problem.